has 5 assists in this opening quarter. Miller.
Absolutely and thoroughly dominating both backboards.
George got picked off. Miller fires.
Reggie Miller now coming off that screen, clearing himself from the pick, squaring up, eyeing the hoop, and draining one more three-point shot.
Third quarter. Quick release by Reggie Miller. Right key, and then a bad pass. Miller on the run.
On the bench, he only has one other offensive player out on the court for him, at least the shooting is concerned. The official felt he got hit on the last play. This time, coming off that screen, shuffles the feet a little bit, but Pete Myers getting hung up on the pick, and that left Reggie Miller to finger the seam.
Not forcing any shot opportunities.
And Miller fired.
Now he saw the basket.
So the Knicks went 3 minutes and 12 seconds before they were able to score. Reggie Miller extends to a 10-2 lead. 10-2, and he's making a quick substitution. Anthony Mason will come on. Miller hits the three. Pacers 13, the Knicks 2, and the Knicks will talk it up.
Try and get him in foul trouble. He's dangerous.
Miller nearly lifted the other foot, and then hits. Reggie wants the ball, and 4 minutes to go in this first half. Miller for Williams. Good look by Reggie Miller, who was... We come up on 1 minute left in the half. Reggie Miller, the lightning release. Slightly better,
okay.
but not good.
You're right, not good enough.
Miller, Reggie Miller hits the three.
Miller, his first 2 shots blocked, finally gets one away and hits.
Reggie promised us yesterday that in the last 2 years, the Pacers have only, beautiful pass.
That's 2 this half for McKee.
You don't run on your forehead.
A little dirt on him and get back in the game. Miller, off-balance shot as he went to the deck. Then he hits it, and Miller showed.
Reggie Miller a moment ago will hit this nice curling jumper. But the Knicks are so disciplined in forcing Miller to his left. Reggie says,
that's Miller out in front. Miller spotted for the three, and he got it.
and turns and looks.
Partially blocked by Davis. Reggie Miller against Stark, slated in. Underway, Houston and Utah tied at 2 early. We'll be going there at the conclusion of this game. A game that's seen nearly 60 fouls called. Actually, that is short of the record for both teams in a playoff game. Miller for 3, and he got it. Reggie Miller with a clutch tray, and it's 105-102. And a steal. Miller retreats to the three-point line and hits again.
Tie game. No need to foul in that situation.
And the foul is called.
Now they isolate deep right side. Reggie going inside on Stark. Beating got the layup and got it. Good aggressive move, I guess, defensively in that particular category. 4-point lead, New York. Reggie bangs it off the glass and got it.
See, he's just trying to will himself into being...
This will not have any sympathy for you. If you turn it over, they'll try to do something with it at the other end of the floor. Here's Reggie. Starks with a good job stopping him. Got inside and got it anyway. 8 points in the quarter so far with 8 points.
Good aggressive move here. And he's done a lot of damage going to the basket. As a matter of fact, I think all of his hoops
will turn and fire and miss it badly. Reggie's got the rebound. Put it back up and score. He's come out of the game.
No, he has.
That's a little unusual because normally Larry will give him a little bit of a blow. Oh, what's this time? Normally Reggie will get a little blow in the last couple of minutes of the first quarter into the second.
Reggie drives and dunks, babe. You talk about focus and intensity. Send it home. Peter Vest is able to Indiana Bowl. To the right, Reggie. Boy, he wants to face. See, he can't. I don't think he can score backing up against you.
Reggie saw the shot clock running down and got it. Good presence of mind by Miller. He had a good and a steal. McKee took it away from Harper. McKee inside. It is blocked, and Reggie will get it. Guard caught up, and Reggie managed to pick up the rebound. And he scored with 2 points on a Rick Smith stunt early on here in the third quarter. Reggie with a floater. 18-point stop for Reggie Miller.
Be aggressive. Whatever you do, be aggressive because you can possibly get to the line.
Here's Reggie trying to be aggressive on Starks. Got inside and got it. Patrick Ewing can only sit and watch. Now it's 87-83 with 3:12 to play in the fourth quarter and a rambunctious MSA. 7 seconds to shoot. You got to let it go. Here's Reggie.
And then Reggie elevating. Boy, I can't tell you how much I like this for a number of reasons.